In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a GitHub Wiki. If you're new to GitHub Wikis or just looking to improve your skills, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, make sure you head over to GitHub and log in with your credentials. It should be a familiar process if you've been using GitHub before, but if not, just remember to use your username and password. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your GitHub dashboard. Now that you're on your dashboard, the next thing you want to do is select a repository to work with. You might have several repositories displayed on your dashboard, so just click on the one you want to add a wiki to. If you're starting from scratch, you can create a new repository if necessary. Once you've selected a repository, you'll navigate to the Wiki section. In this section, you'll notice a Wiki tab located near the top of the page. Click on that tab to continue. If it's your first time accessing the wiki for this repository, GitHub will prompt you to create the first page. This step essentially initializes the wiki, setting it up for you to start adding content. When the wiki is initialized, you'll see a button labeled New Page. Click on it to begin creating your first wiki page. You'll be prompted to enter a title for your new wiki page. The title should be descriptive enough that anyone visiting your wiki can grasp the page's content at a glance. With a title in place, the next task is to add your content using GitHub's built-in text editor. This editor allows you to format your text and structure your content neatly. You can use Markdown syntax for formatting, which provides a lot of flexibility in terms of how you present your information. Once you're happy with the content you've written, it's important to provide a descriptive commit message in the Edit Message field. This message should explain what changes you've made, which can be helpful for tracking revisions over time or for anyone else collaborating on the wiki. After inputting your commit message, the final step is to click on Save Page. This action will publish your changes, making the newly created or edited page available for others to view. Congratulations, you've just created a new page on your GitHub Wiki. By following these steps, you can continue to add and manage content effectively. Remember, wikis are powerful tools for collaboration and documentation, so make sure to utilize them to their fullest potential. Happy wiki editing, and see you next time.